Welcome to my channel with love. I'm Brigi and today I'll be unboxing and showing you two brand new diamond paintings. Both kits are from Picmondoo, and if you follow my previous work you may have seen that I received a wonderful advent calendar from them. In the fifth little box there was a voucher with a big discount for my next order, and here it is. So let's take a look at the first painting. While I try to open it, I'll tell you that I never ordered from them before, but looking to their collection, they really have a lot of amazing kits. I personally love colorful and cheerful paintings. Working with bright shades always makes me happy. So this one should be a 40 by 60 centimeter full square drill kit showing a very colorful yet elegant seahorse. And here it is. Oh, I love that pink border around the canvas. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So here's a printed sheet with all the details of the kit, especially the symbols. It says there are 69 colors. Wow, that's a lot. And looking at the drills, I can already tell there are plenty. The symbols look fine, though I still find it a bit strange that the sheet is just plain paper, not a sticker sheet like in the Advent Calendar kits. Okay. Now let's check the tools. They are in this little bag. I've got the classic plastic pen, two heart-shaped wax pads, a rubber grip, a multiplacer tip, and of course a tray. This one's transparent with little sparkles inside. Really cute, but simple toolkit. So and here are the diamonds. That's a huge bundle. The colors look beautiful already, but before I open them, let's take a look at the canvas itself. Wow, it's big. Much better once fully unrolled. Okay. At first glance, it's super colorful and I really like the design. The symbols are clear and easy to read. I think the actual drill colors might differ slightly from the printed ones, but the pattern looks clean and well organized. There will be some large single color sections too, which is great. Even though it's colorful, it doesn't seem like a confetti style painting, which I don't mind at all since 69 colors are quite a lot to handle. Here's the full color list along the side of the canvas, easy to read. Now I'll test the stickiness in the bottom corner, and it's excellent. It also says it was designed by Sabine with the original artwork mark in the corner. The canvas material itself feels soft and smooth with neatly finished edge. Definitely good quality. The ones from the Advent Calendar were just like this. Something else I noticed, the plastic cover is thinner than what you usually get from AliExpress or Temu kits. When you lift it up, put it back down, it doesn't wrinkle or cling weirdly. I'm really happy about that. And here are all the drills. So many. One thing that surprised me is that the printed sheet with the symbols and the MC codes doesn't say how many bags of each color there are. I assume nothing is missing tooth, and it definitely looks like there are plenty of everything. Now for the special drills, here they are. There are two AB colors, one crystal color and one fairy dust color. Those will add a beautiful sparkle. I haven't worked with this combination before, so I'm excited to try it. So while I pack this one away, that's what the Picmondoo kit looks like when it arrives. I'm not sure when I'll start it yet, since I have quite a few projects in progress, but I definitely make a video once it's done. Now let's move on to the second kit. This one, another big one, and I'm actually a bit more curious about it because I've seen this design from other companies before with both great and not so great result. While I open it, I tell you it's 50 by 50 centimeters full square drill painting showing a magical fairy tale scene. At least that's how I see it, where a little girl opens a book and all the magic flows out. I really love this idea. The canvas looks identical in quality to the previous one. It comes with the same setup, the printed info sheet, the toolkit and the drills. Let's check the codes and symbols. This one has 74 colors. Wow, even more. The design is super colorful too. Again, the sheet is just a plain paper, not a sticker, but that's fine. The only difference is that this time the tools come in a little box instead of a bag. Inside we've got the same items, the pen with multiplacer, two heart-shaped wax pads and the tray. Okay, now for the diamonds, that's a huge amount, but first let's see the canvas. Oh wow, what is this? Oh my god, those red hands and that yellow face. Oh, this looks really strange. Oh, now I'm very curious. Let me show you up close. If that face really ends up being that yellow, I don't know how it will turn out. Okay, I'm super curious to see. I'm hoping the diamond colors will differ a bit from that's printed. Otherwise, still the design looks very clear and neatly laid out again. The color list is along the edge just like before, and the glue feels just as sticky. And this one is also designed by Sabine. Wow, Sabine, now you've really made me curious about your work. Okay, now let's check the diamonds. I really want to see the colors. Here's the massive pin, lots of blue shades, which isn't surprising, but those red are really red and the yellows are really yellow. So thank you, Picmondoo, you made me very curious and I'll definitely start this painting soon. And yes, there are special drills in this one too. One AB color, two crystal colors, one metallic and one fairy dust. I've never worked with this combination before either. So to sum it up, I definitely start the second painting first, while the Seahorse will have to wait a bit. The quality of both kits seems excellent, but I'll be able to give you a sure opinion and show you the real result once they are finished. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see the final result, stay tuned. I'll post updates as soon as I can. In meantime, I highly recommend checking out the Picmondoo Advent Calendar. You will find the link in the video description. And if you liked either of these paintings, you also find their direct links here. Bonus, if you decide to order one and enter the code BABY at checkout, you will get an extra 10% discount. Sending hugs and love. Have a wonderful and beautiful day. Bye.